Amazing stadiums. Wembley Stadium is located in North London and is the national stadium for football in England. While the stadium first opened in 1923, it was demolished in 2002 and then reopened to the public in 2007. It cost around £800 million to build this amazing structure. It has a high arch which supports a movable roof and a field that measures 105 by 69 metres. Inside the stadium, there are 90,000 seats for spectators, which can be found over 3 levels. It has 12 restaurants and 58 kiosks. Wembley Stadium is a multi-purpose stadium designed to host football, athletic events and concerts. Astana Arena is located in the capital city of Kazakhstan. It is the national stadium of the country, where the national football team usually plays. It opened to the public in 2009 and cost £138 million to build. The stadium has 30,000 seats over 2 levels, and the field measures 105 by 68 metres. What's amazing about this stadium is its sliding roof for the extremely hot days in the summer and the extremely cold days in the winter. While watching a match, spectators can buy food and drinks from one of the restaurants or kiosks. Astana Arena can also host other sports events, including the country's favourite sports, wrestling, judo and boxing.